Another day, another dollar. Another day, another hour. Another day in the fucking trenches. Another day on the set, I'm gone. Yeah, I'm gone. Yeah, I'm gone. Gone. Yeah, I'm gone. Gone. Yeah, I'm gone. Gone.
Alright YouTube, today we'll be installing the VLAND headlights on the bad boy. Let me show y'all the stock ones. These are actually alright, for real. If I could open them up and black out the chrome and you know the housing and all that, I probably would, but you can kind of see here. Yeah, not the move. Not the move. Looks like a chicken attack on the jounce. But I'm going to be installing the VLANs today. Let me show y'all those. I got the amber ones. Now, for those of you who aren't familiar with the headlights I'm about to put on today, you can get either the you can get the clear side marker ones or the amber. I got amber just because I think it'll go better with the red and the black instead of clear, but clear is honestly cleaner, so it's up to you. But we will be putting on these. Hold on. Ooh. Get a look at these. Nice and clean. Gonna be a clean boy, so you know, stay tuned. See the install. My video isn't good enough. You guys can always watch Marty Motorings, but yeah, got an install coming. So you're gonna want to take these screws out. This was right here. You can see the other one on this side to remove the bumper, so you can get to the headlight housing. You're also gonna have to remove the screws in your fender liner. The light is terrible, so y'all probably can't see it, but it's a couple screws with your fender liner. I'm about to just keep mine off because it's rubbing and tearing anyway, but you're gonna have to remove that so you can take the bumper off and get to the stuff for the headlight housing. So already got this side. It is ready to come off, as y'all can see. Gonna do this side. Okay, you probably can't see under there, but I should mention that if you still have your fender liner on, you're gonna have to remove that to get to, it's a bolt behind the fender liner up like right here, pretty much where my finger is. On both sides, you're gonna have to remove the fender liner to get to the bolt. I think it's a 10, and then take that off so you can take the bumper off. I already got this side off. This right here is off, and this. So once you get the bumper off, which took me forever because this car is just rust lowered, gonna be a bolt right here, which if y'all can see that, it looks like that's soil, but nope, the bolt for that snapped in half. And then it's also gonna be a bolt right here for the headlight housing. You're gonna take those out, and you're gonna undo this. Can you hold the camera real quick? I'll show them how to undo that. Yes. If I remember correct. Okay, well I don't remember. Let me go look on the video. Yeah, don't remember. Okay, so you gotta push this towards that, and this is supposed to slide out. This is the factory part, he said. But this show is not trying to move. Pause that jump again. Once you get that annoying piece of whatever out, left with this, about to go drifting, you know, the headlight intake. But you're gonna need this part off of the bottom of that. It's 3 screws holding it in. You can see the holes for the screws. Take that out because this has to go on to here, and then you just pop this one back in, rinse and repeat all the steps to get it out. So you're gonna line this back up with this, put your screws back in. Don't be I had a brain fart, had to slide this one down the extra hole. This is the 2012 model, so I guess it doesn't line all the way up, but it's an extra one right there. But as you can see, this is where the old screw was, so that's where I thought it was supposed to line up, but it's this one. So yeah, so basically it's just plug and play. You do all the steps you did to take it off in reverse, plug your clamp back up for the electrical, and you want to make sure you run the extra wire up, because this is for the daytime running light sequential, because right now it's just regular sequential on the turn signal without that hooked up. But you want to run this along here somewhere. I'm probably gonna end up running mine through the weather strip on the bumper just so it doesn't get fucked up and shit. But you're gonna run that up, and then you go into your fuse box. There's instructions and an extra cable and shit right here. It's gonna connect to both and shit, and then yeah, that's how you get the daytime sequential DRLs too. So all right, it might, well actually y'all can see it before, after. So let's go ahead and finish. Yes sir. So now we have to connect this last cable for the daytime running lights, I believe, and the high beams or something like that. So I'll let you know when I'm done. Okay, 50 hours later, boom. So you're going to remove the, there's instructions that come with the VLANs anyway, but you're gonna remove that 10 amp over there. Nah, all right, you're gonna remove the 10 amp, plug that up into there. Nah, I'm good. And then there's also a 7.5 under here somewhere. It's gonna be circled on the diagram on the instructions that you get with the VLANs. You're gonna remove that so you don't get a code, and you should be good. So if you're like me and you don't have any of the engine bay covers and stuff, you're gonna have to zip tie everything down, but you know, this will get the job done. You don't want it loose in the engine bay, most definitely, but get everything fucking strapped up and put your bumper back on. Boom, we are back in business, and she is done. Yeah. So now I gotta fix this bumper sag. Also gotta fix the grill housing. I'll just do that another day. I don't feel like doing that today. Trying to get some neat, but I don't know what else is gonna be in this video. If this is the end of the video, you know, like, comment, subscribe, all that shit, you already know.